I didn't want to let you hanging without good footage of the flight of the Fun Cub, so I put in a new micro SD card in the camera and we are good to go. This footage is only going to from my head camera, so as you can see we have quite a bit breeze. It increased and it is variable, it's changing direction. So wish the Fun Cub good luck on this one. Let's do this. Very uneventful takeoff, and I'm going to try to keep it close so it doesn't become a speck on your screen. You can see it a little bit and its capabilities. I'm going to set it to high rates. Again, I put another 1300 milliamp hour battery. It is flying very nice even in the wind, and I'm going to slow it down. Actually, I'm at 0 throttle right now. It's just gliding at the crosswind. Okay, back on throttle. It is very predictable, very controllable airplane. Let's make a right turn. Come this way. And the wind is blowing pretty hard right now. Kind of from my right hand side. But this little plane is very stable. I think that slight nose heaviness makes it more stable. Even with the 1300 milliamp hour battery pushed all the way back, it is slightly nose heavy, making it very, very stable. Although, you know, as you can see, the full aileron rolls, 100% full aileron rolls are not that quick. So I can help it with the, full rudder deflection. It will make it a little faster like that. But this is not an aerobatic airplane. You can do some simple aerobatics, but this is more for flying fun, learning. Would make great second plane, not first plane. If you are looking for a first plane, if you find an old Hobby Zone Super Cub, buy it. In my opinion, that's decade-old best trainer airplane if you don't want to use any stability control, just in manual. And I recommend learning that way. I mean, it's always nice to have some park flyers with stability control, because those little planes are inherently very unstable, only made flyable using a gyro. But for something like this, being able to fly manually and learning all the idiosyncrasies of the plane will help in the long run, believe me. Being able to save from any attitude. When you're new, just fly high. I call it 3 mistakes high. Right now I'm about 1 mistake high. Maybe not even that. Just so that you can see it. Okay, folks, this is great with 1300 milliamp hour battery. And when I checked the other battery, it had a lot of capacity. I think it was only used 40% last time during the last flight. There was still like 60% capacity. And this can fly for forever, even with a 1300 milliamp hour battery. Alright, I don't want to bore you to death. I'm going to come back and do a landing. Can I do a dead stick landing? So I'm dead sticking it. All right, depleted all the runway. Even with the, and then we have a little bit of crosswind, so it's better to if I come from this angle. A little power. All right, that's the way to do it. Very nice airplane. 1100mm wingspan fun cup from Banggood. It came as a kit. Watch the earlier videos, they're all in the description. It's a fantastic little, not so little actually, very nice EPO airplane, high quality. 2 thumbs up for this one. I hope you enjoyed the video and found the review useful. Please give us a thumbs up. Hope to see you on the next videos. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.